How to list your property on your Airbnb app. Let's get started. Launch your Airbnb app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the Explore page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of profile. Once you're in the profile page, here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under hosting, you'll find the option of list your space. Click on that option. Now describe what kind of property you are listing. It's an apartment, a house, or something unique. You will also need to specify how many guests or suites can accommodate. Click on Create a new listing. Click on Get Started. Click on Next. Which of these best describes your place? Select it, then click on Next. What type of place will guests have? Select it and click on Next. Now, select your location. Location is the key. Enter your property's address, which your Airbnb will use to place your listing on the map. Next, let's talk about amenities. Make sure to list everything you offer like Wi-Fi, parking, or a pool. Good photos are crucial. Upload high-quality pictures that showcase your place at its best. If possible, professional photos can really make your listing shine. Write a compelling description. Highlight what makes your place special, any nearby attractions, and anything else that will catch a traveler's eye. Be clear and honest to set the right expectations. Set our house rules clearly. Are pets or smoking allowed? What about parties? Clear rules help attract the right guests. For pricing, check out what similar listing in your area are charging. Your Airbnb also offers a pricing tool to help suggest the best rate depending on the time of year and your location. Keep your calendar up to date to manage bookings smoothly. Mark the days your property is available or booked. Safety first. Equip your rental with essentials like smoke detectors and a first aid kit. Ensure you comply with any local law regarding short-term rentals. Once you are happy with your listing, hit publish. Now you are ready to welcome guests. Always prepare your home before guests arrive. Ensure it's clean, tidy, and stocked with basic supplies like toilet paper and soap. A welcome guide for your guests can also go a long way. Last but not least, always be responsive. Answer any questions from potential guests promptly and be clear in your communication. Great guest experiences lead to better reviews, which can help you get more bookings. So this way you can easily list your property on your Airbnb app. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.